Welcome back everybody. So this week's video is a piece of ash and we're going to be adding a little bit of colour. So we're just marking out here for a mortise and for a foot. Alright, we've got the camera turned round, the lathe turned on, and we're going to start with the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools, and we're going to get it turned to shape. Just like you're young again, no, don't you cry. Just get back up again, 'cause if you wanna laugh, then live it better. If you want love, then stay together. If you wanna smile, then be forever. She was the curious kind. To hate, she was blind. Always love on her mind. Just come on, me. She couldn't quite figure out what fear's all about. So she put it aside all night, all day. And everybody talked about her. Said there must be something wrong with this girl. All she said to them was live your life. There you go. Okay, we're going to turn our attention to the bottom of the bowl now, and we are just going to get the mid-size detailer and mark out for where the mortise is going to go. Clean it out with a number 1 hollower. Flatten everything off with a mid-size rougher. Flatten it off here on the foot. Back to the detailer to match the angles of the jaws of the duck. And there we go there. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, and now we're just going to sand up to 240 grit here with clean spore abrasives. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean out the grain. Alright, so now we've got some pink spirit stains. Okay, using a bit of friction just to dry it all off. Some professional sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. Some pink embellishing wax, also from Hampshire Sheen. Go, wipe it all over, make sure you get nice even covering. Let the solvents evaporate,
and then turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. There you go. Some Hampshire Sheen microcrystalline wax to go on top of that. Exactly the same process as before. Make sure you get nice even coverage. Lathe up to 1000 to 1200 and wait for the solvents to evaporate and buff it in. Remember, don't be putting too hard, you don't want to wipe off the wax that you've just put on. There we go. Alright, I lost footage of drilling the centre out with a foursome a bit, but you can all imagine what it'd be like, so we're going to get the hollow in it. And for that we're using the #1 hollower. I haven't played with the Pro Size #1 hollower for a little while, so I thought I'd get that one out for a little while. And back to the mid-size #1 hollower. And there we go. Alright, so once again I've already done most of the sanding, so we're just going to sand to 240 grit here. Sand around the rim. There you go. Bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol again to clean the grain out. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You can get this from Northside Custom Crafts if you're in the USA, or Axminster Tools if you're in the UK. There will be links in the description. Buff it in until you get a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. There we go. Okay, and finally some more Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. Exactly the same process as before. Nice even coverage, lave up to 1000 to 1200. Wait for the solvents to evaporate and just buff it in. Alright, I thank everybody for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up, click that subscribe button. There will be some pictures at the end. Please don't forget, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies and the person this is for. Hope you enjoy it. And until next week's video, I shall see you then. Bye bye for now.